Hope everybody's having a good time. I would like to take some moment to thank our volunteers and the sponsors. We have a sponsor for this year, Mukesh and Nina Modi. We have a big applause for them. And we have Dr. Ajit Pai and Bhavna Pai. And we have Nautam Bhai and Urmila Van Patel. I would like to thank you for the sponsorships for this event. Without you guys, we can't have this wonderful events that we have planned for you guys. Thank you. We have Sarv and Kalyani Devraj. Big applause for them too. We have Vinod and Geeta Kilnani. Thank you. We have Vaibhav and Charu Agrawal. And this year we also got some help from Dent Brothers. Big applause for them. If you guys have any dent problem in your car, you have the right person over there, Dent Brothers. Okay, we have Ashish and Ruchika Agrawal. And we have Nitesh and Anita Chawla. And Manoj and Radhika Menon. And we have Malik Arjun and Geeta Patel. So thank you once again for all of you. And I also like to thank the family who has, helped the children to bring this show because they spend all the times from their busy life. And I would like to say thanks to all mom and dad too. Also thanks to volunteers who's going to be helping with all the show and the food in the backstage for me, and I like to say thanks to them. Every year they come out without me asking them to do that. Thanks.
Actually, we have a few more minutes here. So as Anil said, it's the sponsors and the membership and then volunteer effort that makes this event successful. And I would like to welcome 2010 members, and this year, as you can see, we have a less turnout, so don't know why. Okay, so we would encourage you to take membership if you haven't already, because the membership money and the sponsorship money, because everything costs, okay, to rent this auditorium, food and entertainment program. So everything, there's a cost. Even the newsletters that we mail, the stamps prices have gone up. So of course, emailing is an option, but we tried that. We didn't get a lot of response for emails. So, and this year we also tried to get sponsorships from the local businesses. And thanks to Deepu Consulting, Mukesh Modi and Dr. Ajit Pai, they have always been very strong support to this community. So this is a community event. So we want everyone to be involved. There are committee members. We can do only so much. And a special thanks to Kalyani and Anil Bhai, who sold almost 90% of the tickets here. So who seem to know everyone in this town. So a very special thanks to these people, because they spend a lot of time. I mean, just to put this together, there's so many volunteer hours that go in. Moms, especially if you have 2 kids, they're 3 to 4. There's one practice at one place, and 4 to 5 there's another practice. They have to keep on running, and they practice almost once or twice a week. And you have seen the other volunteers our choreographers, Megha Patel, Richa Patel. It's very difficult to deal with 2-year-olds, right? I can deal with 11 and a 6-year-old, so and she deals with this 2-3-year-old all the way up to 10-year-olds, and then teaching them dance and everything. So we just request all the community to come together as a part, and this is a cultural event. The mission of this IAM is different. Okay, it's just to get our kids together, get to know our culture. I wouldn't say like Bollywood is our culture, but you know that's the best we can do with the time that we have at hand. So if you have any suggestions how to make it better, how to make it economical, we are all open for suggestions. And we want more people to be involved. You know, it's not only the 6 or 7 people making decisions or anything. It's not like that. We want all the community members from each and every group to be involved in this. And next time probably we should keep an eye on any clashes between the dates, because there are like a couple of groups they couldn't come because there's a clash.
We just found out that there is another IAM functions going on in St. Joe, Michigan today at the same time. So we did not know about it. So next time we're putting a plan with other community local to make sure that they don't have anything going on. For us, because we have to reserve this place almost like a year ago. So for us it's kind of hard. We do it and we try our best to so that it doesn't clash with the kids' exams and other activities. And we also make the take that consideration about this holiday, spring breaks and stuff like that. So if we have done anything wrong, please forgive us. And well, as I said, we try our best to accommodate everybody's interest in that. And we also like to say thanks the people who has helped outside this, to make this happen. He said that, we try to keep the cost low. That's why the membership is very important. It's very important for us to keep the membership going. Otherwise, we cannot keep the cost low. If you look at the cost, $15, it is very nominal, considering that we have to, put the cost for the place, food, and other entertainments. So.
There's one quick word about our sponsors that we have, and Charu and Vaibhav Agarwal. Charu has art classes and she has a workshop. It's a free workshop on 1st of May. And you can also take like Dent Brothers. You will see the cards. Like I don't want you to like get into accident or anything of that sort. But if you have dents, I would like we thank them for sponsoring. So I highly encourage. In fact, like I got 2 of my cars. Unfortunately, both of them had dents. And then I have like a couple of other community members who had a very good experience with Alex. He would be your man. And we have a few other things here. Bike the Bend. You can take the registration forms, and also we have a diversity day. So there are like forms at the entrance.
Yeah, people who are interested in biking, we have something community. It's going to May 23rd. There's some pamphlet out there at the IAM desk, and if you guys want to be involved in that, you feel free to do that.